Do you know the answer to these 5 theory questions? All the answers relate to bad things in computers. Question number 1. What is the name of malicious software that does damage to files on your computer? Did you answer a virus? Question number 2. What is the method used by attackers that will send you an email with a link that will take you to a fake website in order to get your personal details? Did you answer phishing or phishing attack? Question number 3. What is the name of malware that looks like it's a useful program, but if you click on it, it's actually a malicious file? The answer is Trojan. Question number 4. What is a technique used by attackers where they send you an email pretending to be from a legitimate source, but they actually can't be trusted? Answer is spoofing or email spoofing. And question number 5, what is the term for when you access someone else's Wi-Fi connection without them being aware that you're using their Wi-Fi? The answer is piggybacking. Leave a comment with the number of answers that you got right. If you didn't get any of them right, then go and revise these videos on our YouTube channel at Mr. Long Computer Terms.